Okay, there's something guitar related in the box. What can it be? Let's have a look. Typical Amazon packaging. And it is the new Ernie Ball techmat. Let's get it out and have a look. Okay, so that's what you get in the box. It's a pretty cool box as well with the Ernie Ball eagle on there. There's your mat in its protective case, which looks pretty good as well. Let's get it open. Okay, so there it is in all its glory. It looks pretty cool, to be fair. It's not going anywhere. That has got rubberized back, nice padded. Could be a little bit thicker, but yeah, it feels very nice as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to polish my guitar on it. I'm not going to change any strings or anything like that today because it doesn't need doing. So just to run it through for everyone, I'm going to just give this guitar a little polish. Okay, as if by magic, the guitar is there, my Telecaster. What's it like? It does move around a little bit, but that's okay. It can't be rubberized on both sides. Right, let's give it a little polish and see how it goes. Yeah, it does feel nice. I do use this Ernie Ball polish as well, which I find very good, especially on the neck. On the neck, it makes it just feel like silk. I am quite a fan of Ernie Ball products in general, and I use Ernie Ball strings as well. I'll just get this little bit under there done. So yeah, as I'm doing it, the guitar is protected. It's not coming into the contact with the table or anything like that. Let's flip it over. There we are, on the back side. There we go. Actually, looking at the colour of those ball ends, I don't think these are Ernie Ball strings in this. They look more like Didarios, however you pronounce it. So yeah, there we go. It's a nice product. Instead of using towels and stuff like that, but it does look very good. It's very cool, which is one of the main factors of buying it. But yeah, it is. Whether or not it'll be good for a guitar tech who's doing this thousands and thousands of times, I don't know. But for me, I've got 3 guitars and I change the strings every couple of months, so it's not going to get massive use from me. But let's just have another look at it. There it is, solid, don't move anyway. Okay, good luck.